So I want to show you what cold start on the Suzuki GSX650F looks like, and of course how that Yoshimura exhaust sounds like when the bike starts up in the morning. Um, so we put in the keys. It's in neutral. You can hear the fuel pump priming, and hold the clutch in and press the ignition. So let's run for a bit. Maybe small revs. Yeah, so that's it. So I'll let it run for a bit, and then here, and then turn it off. But that's what the cold start sounds like.